Experiencing an unavailable error during a FaceTime call on your iPhone can be frustrating as it prevents you from connecting with others. This issue might arise due to network problems, software glitches, or FaceTime setting misconfigurations. Don't worry, this guide will give you 100% effective solutions to get FaceTime working smoothly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection is often the main cause of loading issues during FaceTime calls. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone screen to access the control center. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Ensure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular network. Open a browser and visit a website like fast.com to test your connection speed. If your internet is unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 2. Restart FaceTime. Restarting FaceTime can help resolve temporary issues with the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view the app switcher. Swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it. After that, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, tap FaceTime, turn off FaceTime. After that, turn it on again. After that, reopen FaceTime and try calling again. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background app refresh, tap Background app refresh from here. Select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 4. Verify date and time settings. Open Settings, tap General, and then select Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is toggled on as FaceTime requires accurate time and date settings to function correctly. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and wait for your iPhone to restart. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the unavailable error during FaceTime calls. If this guide helps, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.